Hi everyone, I'm going to have this video is about female dog in heat, or when the dog is having their period. By the way, for those who first time in my channel, I am Sheilah and this is Arya, crossbreeds, Bichon and Pomeranian. I'm going to show you what to do when the dog is on heat. And it's a good timing because she's having a period. This is already like 3 days now. And when you're allowing the dog inside the house or into your bedroom, what you're gonna do is you get this thing, like a diaper or a nappy or a knickers for a dog when they are on heat. And then it's pretty cool because you can use this and you won't be worried of mess in the floor in your bedroom or in the sheets or in the sofa. You can buy this in you can buy this in pet shop or in any other pet shop, and it's really good because you just only have to get this thing. It comes with this, or you can buy separately, like show you. Okay, and this just only you just only have to, I have a spare one here. You just only have to insert just only have to insert this little pad thing. If there is like a lot of blood, just wear gloves. If not, if you're comfortable to use, take with it without gloves, it's up to you. By the way, you can buy this in any Euro shop. Like it's very handy. You can use for dishwashing, ideal cleaning, or pet care. It's only like €1.50 in a Euro shop. Or you can go in any grocery stores. There's lots of disposable gloves that you can use. Now, I have to take this because she's already using this. So sorry for those who are having their meal, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's already been used. Like this is a little bit of spotting, like this. It's just like only for, same as like for a female when they're having this a period. But yeah, this one, you can just dump it in here, right? And this little thing, like a pad, you just insert from here, like this. It's very easy, like that, and that, like that, and that is ready for the ready to put it on. Like this is very cool because you can adjust the waistline for the dog, and then there is a little hole that you put in the tail, and then if the dog is going to have a poop, it's okay because it's had enough space and when a hole that it won't really mess the little thing. So I'll show you how to put it on. Now turn around, Arya. You can just take it all out like this, or insert like that, put the legs in there, and then the other one. Show you. Can I turn around? Yeah, here. This one. That. Oops, sorry. This. Yeah. And then you can push this this whole thing, put the tail in, yeah, and then just clip it in. Sorry, Arya. Just clip it in here on the other side. So there's enough, you know, room for the dog. It won't be that too tight. So I'll show you here. Now, for this one, show you. Sorry. So the tail is inside the little hole, and so the bottom. So it's okay if the dog is going to poop, or so it's gonna be going that side, and then the next is it's from here, so it will be safe enough. Like should be hole there, and we've been using this for more than a year now, because Arya is already 2.5 years. And it's very good because I don't have to worry about the mess on the floor and the bed, because we allowed her to go to her bedroom. But I make sure, like, you know, she'd already peed or poo. But now I just let her down for thing. Now you can go. Now the question is, how would you able to know, or when are you able to know if the dog is on here? Well, normally it comes only a year. And what I notice is when your dog is, move this, when you let your dog to go for a pee, you notice a little stain of blood. It's not really that so reddish. It could be like pinkish, and you notice like a little pink. So that means that, sorry, she's already, like, there's a little pinkish in the stain for the urine. And what I normally do, because our dog, she's allowed to stay in our bedroom for the night, and so before we're going to bring her to the bedroom before nighttime, we let her pee. I've got this thing, show you, sorry. I've got this thing. This is a potty train for the pet. She's already been potty trained since she was already 2 months old. So you got this like this in a Euro shop, or mostly in the pet shop. It comes with like this. And I normally, and it's here, oh God, yeah, and here, we leave it here, and she normally pee there. Or like if it is raining outside, we won't be able to take her out for a pee or poo. We just let her go in here. This is her area. This is her like room. Here, I'll show you. That's her bed space there. And then I got this thing. I got this thing in like in Amazon. It's like in the internet, like a second-hand thing. This is actually for the baby. But I don't need to buy a new one or a brand new one, so I got this in the internet. So this is very good, because I would be able to now this thing that I would be able to let her pee or poop there if it is lashing rain outside, so I don't have to worry to bring her out and then cleaning her when she's been outside. So I just close this door, this little thing, and then I gave her and I let her pee there. But because she's already been trained about that when she was only 2 months old, so she knows that this thing is for her to pee. Now, yeah. And then you get this this spray here. I've got a spray, this one. When you're bringing the dog for like for a walk, you need to spray this one. It's like you get this in pet shop to spray it around the tail thing or the legs thing, so that to protect the dogs from any other male dogs going in. Do you know what I mean? Because once the dog is on his, they're very attracted to any male dog. Even just how far is that their male dog, they can sense the dog that the female dog is on his. So this is very good because you just spray it on, and then the male dog won't be able to know that female dog is on his. So that dog, female dog, is safe not to get pregnant. So this is very good. The spray is very, very good. And then I've already shown you this one, like that. You get this. This is only like €1 or something in the pet shop. There's loads. There's actually 10 pieces inside of this. So and then you get this thing as well to wipe for the dog, like it's this thing, and you just clean it up, and then before you're going to put it on that like knicker thing for the dog, so to keep it safe. And yeah, that's for the video tutorial for today, and hope it will be giving you, it gives an idea to everyone who has a dog who has not been neutered yet. So because my dog is not been neutered yet, so she's going to have the period from once in a year, but hopefully we're going to able to get it by summer. If you have any idea or comments, or you have suggestion, just leave some comments there below. And if it is your first time in my channel, just give me a subscribe or a thumbs up, and that would be help to, I would be able to put more videos. But I'm just trying to have more videos, just so I could able to give you help as well about how to care the dogs. And then maybe hopefully by Friday I would be able to take a video about how to train the dog, potty train the dog. And that's all for today. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Bye.